So I received a letter from the Australian government. Yeah, that is that for real. And this letter is basically
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Guys, I don't know if you all can see this lady here, but she's on drugs. There's more than one of them pass here daily. Yeah. Sad to see, eh? And she actually look young. I see this on a regular here in Casino. And from where I come from, guys, I've never seen this before. You know, people get high on weed, but getting high on the things that they take here, it's a different story. Yeah. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at work, and yeah, this is one of the reasons why I brought my camera as well, to actually show you guys. This happens very often. There's a video of a couple that I filmed with my phone. Maybe I'll insert the clip that I was actually showing my wife. And they were picking up like cigarette butts and stuff, and apparently they're on, you know, those things, you know, certain things they don't say on YouTube. She's picking up cigarette butts literally and holding her belly while walking. Oh yeah, this is the guy I've been telling you about, babe. Shit, so this must be his woman. Look at them, they're picking up cigarette butts. Where they were at this? No, I see. It's the first time I see the woman, but that's the guy, babe. It's a different lifestyle out here. If your mind is strong, you get caught up in the system. You see it? Yeah, man, and that will never happen, because from day one, me never either smoke nor drink. We can't come outside and get caught up in the system. You see it? So, yeah, just have to be smart, be wise, you know? Yeah, man, because that girl that just passed, literally, you can tell she's probably definitely in her 20s. Yeah. It's a messed up world, eh? Look how brave this magpie is. Literally in front of me on my table. Want to come a pizza. Where the easy bird? Oh, you're so brave. Touch me. Yeah. You look like you want to pick me, son. Huh? Boy, watch me out here. It's a bird brave nor hearted. Say hi. Magpie. The most feared bird in Australia. What is this?
Show them the same face. Many bigger birds show them off with men changes, and everybody can relate with. So reality my face it. Enough still have my grave big. Oh, let me say my face safe with. I still love and I'm a heart. No hatred. My phone and rate me. Tell me I'ma forget that. Oh, them used to laugh off of me. Hey, tell me I'ma forget that. Them don't want to see my past poverty. Hey, tell me I'ma forget that.
Wagwan. Welcome back to the Island White Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so you all saw the title, you all saw the thumbnail, so you might have an idea or just curious what this video is about. Yeah, yes, man. So we're gonna get into that today, but before we get to that, ensure to please give this video a like, subscribe if you're new. You see me? Yes, man. And that is that for now. But yeah, the video, guys. Well, recently, what am I saying? Let me get to the point. Guys, so 3 months ago, I received a letter in the mailbox. A very shocking letter, actually. And I have the paper here. I can't really show you everything because, you know, address and everything. But we are getting to the nitty-gritty of things, right? So I received a letter from the Australian government. Yeah, that is that. For real. And this letter is basically a quarantine fee. Yeah? You guys remember, if you're new, you wouldn't remember. But I did quarantine when I was coming here back in 2021 during COVID, the lockdown and everything. And I had to do like 2 weeks or more, if I'm correct, because when I was in quarantine, when the time was about to be up for the 14 days, I think someone had COVID, so they had to keep us for a few more days. And I guess because of that, the bill ranked up more. And surprisingly, guess how much this bill came to, guys? The bill comes to $3,065. You hear what me just say? $3,065. Yeah, so that's what quarantine, result into. Alright, so I'm gonna read out this letter to you all, and you'll also see it on screen as well, so yeah, have a better understanding. So it says, why am I receiving this notice? Revenue New South Wales, which NSW means New South Wales, which is the state that I'm in. Yeah, so Revenue New South Wales is acting on the behalf of local health district to recover fees related to mandatory quarantine services. We have previously sent you as the primary occupant. So to me, previously sounds like they actually sent me a letter before, but I didn't receive it. That's what I'm guessing. Yeah, so I'm guessing that's why it's now, this letter has now became overdue. That's what I'm getting from that. Alright, so previously sent you as the primary occupant an invoice relating to the quarantine service fee. If you were accommodated with other travelers, the members of your group, and the fees applied are itemized over the page. Our records indicate that the travelers listed on this invoice stayed in special health or New South Wales police quarantine accommodation from the 20th of August 2021 to September the 3rd, 2021, and are liable to pay the quarantine service fee. The quarantine service fee of $3,065 is now overdue. You see me? But bear in mind, guys, this was 3 months ago. So what I'm actually saying is that today is the last day that I actually finished paying off my quarantine. Yes, man. So this is a success story. Me call it that. Yeah, man. So I actually finished paying it off today, and I feel good about it. Yeah. So this is crazy, guys. If you guys have been in quarantine, if you guys have traveled during COVID, if you did stay in quarantine, did you have to pay for your quarantine, for the days that you spent in quarantine? Let me know in the comments, because I would really like to know, because this was really a shock to me, Yeah, man. So I'm glad it's over with. As I said, today is the last. I'm really happy about that. Yeah, man. I'll just show all what I can show on screen. As I said, certain things I have to blur out and things like that. But yeah, that is that. Yeah, do you think they're right for doing that? Let me know. Somebody have to get paid. You stay in a hotel, them feed you and everything. So that is that. Yeah, even though the whole quarantine experience was really horrible, because the food, I didn't like the food at all. You guys see me complain. These things that you see right here, looks like it has the shape of a mushroom, and honestly, I don't know, guys. That's the worst thing I ever tasted, literally. No, man, I couldn't stomach this, guys. I could not stomach this. Literally, only the egg me could eat out of that. Yeah. That's horrible, man. Some of you guys say, oh, me too picky and me feel just accept what me get and this and that, and but that was that. It was a crazy experience traveling on my own from Jamaica to London, from London to Singapore to Australia. For the very first time, this is amazing, guys. So this is the view here. So, and I'm about to go on the plane for the very first time, guys. I'm very excited about this. Yeah, guys, gonna see the plane up close and person for the first time and being in one for the first time. This is crazy. Yes, I'm finally here in England. This is not my final destination anyway, but it's amazing, yo. The journey was amazing. The flight, it's my first time, first experience, and I enjoyed it. I just came off the plane now, guys. I'm now in Singapore.
What will happen when we get in there? We've got a police escort.
Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. I am finally in Australia! Yesterday. Can't make up too much noise. Cause what? I'm currently in quarantine, guys.
Crazy travel experience, you know? But did it overcome, and yeah, so that is that, guys. So I literally been in Australia now for like 2 years and 2 months. You know, time flies. Yeah, time really flies, honestly. But yeah, me there, and just wrap up this video, and hope you all enjoy watching. Yeah, man, and let me know what you think about this video, guys. You know, leave your opinion in the comment section. Yeah, man, until then, it's Island Boy Africa, and I'm out. Blessings all the time.